Hi everyone, I'm back with another video, and today I'll be showing you guys how I did my makeup for this day tonight and spit it out reaction videos. I'm going to quickly do my base makeup so that we don't waste too much time on it and we can jump to the fun stuff. So this is the palette that I'm using. It's one of my favorites. And I'll be taking the center color and putting that all over my eyelids. It looks like I'm not putting anything on, but trust me, I am. And then I'm going to wipe away the bake. After that, I'm going to be taking this medium orange color and going over my outer corners and into my crease, pushing it upwards for that nice blended look. Then I'll be taking this darker orange color and putting that into my crease and my outer corners. And then I'm going to take some concealer and cut my crease. And then I'm going to be using these liquid glitter shadows. So the orange Sunset Fire color, I'll be putting that on where I cut my crease. And I'll use Follow the Sun for my lash line and my inner corner. This is an easy way to make your eyes look more wide open and to make you look more awake or bright. But my excuse is that I love glitter. And I'm not going to go all the way to the end because I'm going to be putting on another color. It's going to be the same medium orange that we used before, and we're going to blend it in to the glitter. Eyeliner. Now mascara, and then I'm going to line my waterline without poking my eyes out. After that, I'm going to put some blush on and blend that. And now my favorite part, which is highlighter. Do you see this? This is one of my favorite highlighters. It's so blinding. I'm going to be using a tinted lip oil, which smells amazing, by the way, and makes your lips look super plump. This is the final look. I really like it. Let me know if you do as well. If you were to purchase any of these items, I would recommend the lip oil and the highlighter. They're both super cheap in comparison to other highlighters and lip products, but it's amazing. I'll see you guys in another video. Stay safe, stay clean, stay happy.